Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a factory reset on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is head into Settings, General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, hit Erase all content and settings, then hit Continue, enter your passcode, then you could either back up your stuff or just hit Skip Back Up, enter your password for Apple ID, okay, turn off. Okay, so you're gonna go hit an erase iPhone, and then once it's done erasing, I'll be right back. Oh, it is almost done, so the screen just went black. The Apple logo. Okay, and here it is, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, all reset. So what you're going to do is just go through English, United States, or wherever your country is, and then appearance, choose the size of the icon on iPhone, you can have it big or small. And so that's how you reset your iPhone 14 Pro Max back to the default settings. So if you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in my next one. See you then.